Hello beautiful people, it is time for another sassy classy haul. I hope that you have seen my other hauls, and if you haven't, they will be in this corner or that corner, so make sure you check them out. I certainly hope you saw my last video to show you how to take some of that old bling and pair it with some of your outfits and make them stylish and classy looking. This haul today is going to be from Catwalk, so if you want to see what I got from Catwalk, just keep watching. Okay, so like I said, I got these items from Catwalk, and I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items in total, and my bill came to $110.57. So I'm going to show you what I got. I just left everything the way I got it. I was not impressed with how they shipped them, but hey, they packaged it up where you was not going to get in that box because it was taped to hell. I had to use scissors to get in there. They did provide me with a return envelope and a return stamp, postage I guess, so if anything didn't fit, all I had to do was return it. So I give them a thumbs up for that. And their little sticker has all the information on it. Well, the invoice has all the information on it, has the contact and a description of all the items that I ordered. So I really love that about the website. Now this website, of course, is a wholesale site. So they cater to a lot of different stores that are online. So I just wanted to check them out so I could tell you what they would be all about. So this is what I got. It came in this box here, and as you can see, it's taped up, and I mean they taped the hell out of this box, inside and out. This is like child proof, adult proof. This is just like everything proof. So this is what I got. I'm trying to remember. This is the little dress. Now what I did was I used their sizing chart to choose my sizes, and I'm trying to think which. This is the sky blue polyester dress I got, and this one was $14.04. So let's see what this one looks like. So okay, this one looks like this. Now, I'm not sure how this is going to look when I put it on, but this is what the dress looks like right now. I'm not sure if the color is coming out correctly, but it's a beautiful blue. Now this has straps for a belt, but I don't see a belt included, so yeah, where's my damn belt? But I do like these little buttons here. It's a stretchy material. I got this in a size 8, so yeah, it's cute. I'm gonna see how it looks when I try it on. I still don't know where my belt is. I thought this was a nice work dress that you could put on, but I'm not going to get past it not having a belt, and it's got damn belt loops. I mean, I can easily put on a nice little white belt with this and work it all out, but if it's got loops, then give me the damn belt. Anyway, so that's the first dress, and I'm going to go ahead and hang this up, because I'm going to try these on for you. And then the next one I got is this dress here. And this one is going to be the, I don't know, I guess it's the mauve dress. And I'm not sure which one it is because I got two. They both are about 14 bucks. So let's see. And, well, this one says pink, but looks like mauve to me. And I got this one in same size, and this is cute. I like this. It has a little kind of fold over top. It's a hella little short neck, but I'm not gonna judge that because last time I said that it fit around my neck perfectly. But I like the dress. It's a nice quality, heavy quality dress. It's stretchable, and yeah, I love the front. I think that's just cute, and this is definitely work appropriate. And yeah, I like that dress, and this comes right about to your shins. I got this in a larger size, so it's a little bit longer on me. But yeah, it's cute. It has a little split at the bottom, and yeah, so I like this dress. That. So okay, let's go on to the next one. Okay, so this must be the other dress, and this would be $14 as well as that one. And this one I did get a belt in here, so that works. And here's the little belt that came with this little dress. So that's the belt. And let's see. Okay. Yeah. I'm not feeling this. Even with the belt. I don't like the sleeves. I'm gonna try it on and see what it looks like. It may look cute when I put it on, but it looks kind of granny-fied right now. So I might put some bling on it, and it may just, like, you know, make it pop. But right now, this is just too, really, truly not my style. I should say that. It's not my style. But I'm going to try it on and see what it looks like. Yeah, I'll try it on and see what it looks like. But it's a cute dress. It's a cute dress. And it might be alright. It might be alright. We're not going to count it out. We're not going to count it out. So that is this dress. I must have been in a rose redwood mood. So I got that one. We'll just put this little belt with it. I'm not liking the belt with that. Oh my God. I got another one. Okay. Yeah. Don't ask me what my thought process is with all this damn pink. Must have been one of those pink girly days or something. And I said to myself, ooh, pink. Yeah, I must have been losing my damn mind. Okay, this one has the belt to go with it, so hey, I can just spread this belt, spread this joy around. Okay, so here we go. Oh, you know what? Okay. This is just, I got two of the same dress. I got them in different colors. I must really like the dress. So I got that same blue dress. I got it in a peach color. So, yeah. So, yeah, I must have liked the dress, obviously, or I was going crazy. We're going to see what it looks like when I put it on, because obviously I must have been liking this. I can't see it, but it must have looked really good on the model or something. We're going to try it on. We're going to pair it up. We're going to put some bling on with this thing, and we're going to see how it works out. And then if it don't work out, it's going to be up for grabs for one of my subscribers, because You can't be wasting clothes. You know what I'm saying? You just can't waste stuff. You got to give them to people that can wear them. You know what I'm saying? So next we have, oh thank God it is not pink. You know what I'm saying? If there was one more pink thing, I swear I had to leave y'all and just walk out the door. Okay, this one is, let's see. This one is going to be a mauve dress, and it also, no, what is this? I guess this is mustard. This is the mustard dress, and it too is $14.04. So I think everything in this particular haul is $14. So it's really affordable. And I can tell you, these clothes, the quality is really, really nice. So you will definitely get your bangs, your money's worth. This is a, okay, I might have to take that back. This is a jacket. Well, it's cute. So I'm not going to say. Okay, so this is a NYX dress I got. It's just a kind of yellow mustard one, and it's cute. It's got little buttons going down the front of it, all the way down the front, and it goes like that. It is stretchable. It's made out of nice heavy material, so it's okay. What can you say? So I'll be trying that one on, and we'll see how it looks. And then the last item that I have is this little number here, and let's see. And you know, I always have to have my leopard print somethings. So, oh, these are pants. So I don't know how these are going to look, but yeah, they look totally different on the website. But they are green, and they are not the color green I was imagining. But yeah, this looks like a little leprechaun, but they are somewhat cute. Not exactly. I'm sorry, they just look funny to me. Not exactly what I was looking for, but they are actually well constructed pants. They are heavy, I can say that, and they have pockets. You know I am about pockets, but I'm gonna tell you, these things are some kind of green, and I don't know. I don't know if you can actually see. My cameraman, let me see. My cameraman just pulled up this, and I don't know if you can see this, but he pulled up a green leopard. That's about how these pants look. I don't know. I know y'all laughing at me, but you can laugh all you want. I'm telling you, I am going to find a way to pull off these green pants, and I'm gonna be laughing when I put them on. And I don't know what the hell I was thinking when I put them in my cart. But they look totally different. I swear, they look totally different on the model. I swear I swear. Oh my God, I swear they look totally different on the model. But anyway, that is all I have for you. Don't judge me. Don't judge me by these leopard pants. This whole haul was about finding some outfits online that you could wear to work. I know we are super sassy, classy, mature women, but hey, some of us gotta take our asses to work every day, and we just can't be all sexed up in the office. We gotta find some stuff that covers us up, when we go to church, when we go to mother-in-law's houses. We gotta find something that's neutral. So these outfits are perfect for those occasions, except for these. You may not want to put these in your car. But everything else I'm going to show you at the end of this video how I paired them up. So make sure you keep watching to the end of the video and see how I paired these clothes up. And I am going to work this out. Stay sweet. Kisses. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I have some more super hauls coming up. I'm going to show you some other hauls that I got from for my subscribers that might have issues with their legs and they can no longer wear heels. I've got some super fixes for that. So stay tuned, and as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna slay these greens.